Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today for this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to cut out the background in your pictures. So first what you want to do is get your picture. I just put like a random picture because I couldn't really find one. So you get your picture and then you go to this app called Eraser, and then you tap the square in the left hand corner and then you put the picture that you want and then you press erase and you just erase the background. And then you make the eraser smaller. What you want to do is you want to get all of the background that's not attached. So then what you want to do is you want to make your eraser small and zoom all the way in and get the rest of the background out. So then you press the done button, then you press the save button in the top right hand corner. So then what you want to do is you want to press the green save button, press yes, and then press OK. That's just how you cut the background using eraser. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.